Transcriber 1.26 introduces an extraordinary new feature that uses artificial intelligence to significantly help editors who need to make cuts to interviews. This new feature aims to take raw footage, find the salient phrases, reorder them to provide a list of time codes, and streamline the sorting phase. Let's say we have this interview, in which the person on camera spoke more or less freely for about 15 minutes. Our goal is to reduce it all to a couple of minutes of video. First, drag the interview video into Transcriber. Select one of the most powerful models, such as Large V2. The processing time will be longer, but the text will be more accurate. Then perform the transcription. Once the transcription is complete, review it to correct any errors or misspelled names. At this point, click on the Metadata AI panel and type Rearrange in the search field. For a video of about 2 minutes, choose the option with about 200 words. In theory, for an interview, you can consider about 100 words per minute, but it is important to note that you will need to do some testing before you get the perfect result. Click on Perform Request and wait a few moments. As you can see, the artificial intelligence model has found a series of sentences that, when put together in this sequence, have meaning and logical flow. The artificial intelligence will not necessarily follow the order of the original video, but will reorder the sentences to make the summary meaningful. As you can see, the generated summary also includes all the start and end time codes for each sentence, so that the editing phase will be much faster. It should be noted once again that this is a rather delicate operation, and it may be necessary to repeat the request more than once to obtain an optimal result. If you are not satisfied with the result or if it is not well structured, for example, the timecode is not in the correct format, repeat the request by pressing the Generate Another Version button. Once you are satisfied with the text that is spoken, you can quickly cut and edit the video using the timecodes as reference points. Again, the accuracy is quite good but not perfect, so you may need to slightly adjust the entry and exit points in your editing software. This concludes this tutorial, but we also want to give you another preview. In the near future, Transcriber will allow you to use this technology to directly create a Final Cut Pro project with the cuts already made, making your workflow even faster and more efficient. Stay tuned for future developments. Transcriber 1.26 is available as a free update for all Transcriber users, and sold exclusively on the FX Factory website.